could really use some catching up on our average for the month. Let's take a look what's happening outside right now. All the way from Moffat County down into the southwestern corner and scattered up into the foothills and high country, we have some rain showers. There's a little bit bigger thunderstorm right now just to the north of Last Chance, but as we zoom on in to the south, this is where we've had some bigger thunderstorms, really all the way from the Cripple Creek area near Canyon City, all the way out towards Callahan and close to Lyman. There's been some areas of some larger hail, some really heavy rainfall, so we're actually worried about flooding in some areas. So let's take a look at our flash flood watches that are in place for some areas. I should say actually flash flood warning for parts of El Paso County. We have some flood advisories as well for the area and also near Agate too. So again, there are some spots where there's been some really heavy slow rainfall and now we're concerned about flooding. So just be extra careful out there if you do get some of these thunderstorms. Now Steve Bennett is our weather watcher in the just north of Colorado Springs area. He said they had some really heavy rainfall and pea-sized hail and some strong winds. So with those storms that are moving through, they're going to be a little bit more slow moving. They're down from the severe level that they were, but we are going to see some heavier rainfall with some of those. Looking at our futurecast, Denver has a chance maybe of a storm or two coming on through our direction by about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. Those should kick on out. Still could have some rain down into the southwest and maybe an isolated storm out on the eastern plains. But skies clear overnight tonight. Then tomorrow morning, you're waking up to sunshine. It's a great start to the day and kind of our same pattern as always. So around lunchtime, just afterwards, start to get some rain to develop. Could see some heavier rainfall down in the southwest tomorrow. And then we do have the chance of some of those potentially coming our way tomorrow afternoon and evening here in Denver. I'd say the south side of town, you have a better chance of those storms coming through. Nice outside right now, 84 degrees in Denver, 88 degrees in Greeley, 89 out in Burlington, 60 in Leadville, 70 in Aspen, and still pretty warm over in Grand Junction with 89 degrees. We officially hit 91 degrees in Denver today. Got there just after 2 o'clock, 89 downtown. Our average is 87, so not too far off from where we should be this time of year. Now tonight, temperatures are going to be fairly mild. It should be really nice tomorrow morning. 58 in Denver and the Springs, 54 in Fort Collins, and 51 out in Lyman and Eagle, 50 degrees overnight tonight. Now tomorrow, we're still pretty warm, 88 degrees in Denver, 91 in Greeley, 91 in Fort Collins, still plenty of mid to upper 90s out in the eastern plains, and in the high country, you'll have a lot of 70s tomorrow, 75 in Eagle, 73 in Aspen, 91 over in Grand Junction. For your Denver forecast tonight, again, it's a nice night with temperatures in the upper